2004तल्यान सुहानान कुंफू खेळपाक सुरवात केली। कुंफूक तरबेज जाल्या उपरांत सुहानान गोंया खातीर बरीच नामना जोडल्या। कुंफू बरोबर पेंटिंग आनी गिटारूय वाजोवंक ताका आवडटा। आयच्या काळान चली भुरग्यांक सेल्फ डिफेन्स जायच।
When I grow up, I want to become a naval officer. The base in our school is in the base, so I see all the naval officers in the white uniform, and they are so proud to be a naval officer because they protect our country. So even I want to be a naval officer when I grow up. I'd like to thank my mother Vinda Sargafar and my father Mukesh Sargafar because they are doing so much for me. My principal Mr. Parvez Aslam, he also promotes me for my classes and for my martial arts.
सुहाना बरोबर ताची आवय आनी 7 वर्सांचो भाऊय कुंफू शिकता।
He's got gold for state and he's also practicing with us. Instead of just leaving them for classes, I thought let me enroll myself. So it's all 3 of us who go for classes. All of us are green belt. And as a parent, I would like to tell each and every parent, instead of doing shopping online for say 1,000 rupees at a time, you could hardly spend, it's hardly 500 or 1,000 rupees per month that you can spend and educate your kids. It should be compulsory in all the schools.
ताचो बापूय टॅक्सी ऑपरेटर आनी आवय कामाक वचपी। दुबेक जाय तितलो आर्थीक आदार दिवंक मेळना म्हूण आवयक मनाक खाता।
Her father is driving a taxi. I'm working woman with 2 kids. So I would like to appeal for all the Goan corporate world or the government to come forward and help us out with some financial thing, because there are so many tournaments which are happening. Last time it was in Macau. I couldn't send my daughter there because it's a lot of money and we don't have so much in our pockets to spend and send her. So if it's for a short distance, yes, I can do that. So a lot of other students are there in the same class who are not able to do it.
म्हापशा एकीच कडेन आसामी लेस्ली मथायस कुंफू शिकयता। ताणें ट्रेनिंग दिवन बरी बरी भुरगीं तयार केल्यात, मात ताची कोणें नोंद घेतिल्ली दिसना। सरकार तर ह्या खेळाक ऑफिशियली वळखच ना। पालव खंयचो दितलो?
मेरे जब गोवा से आने के बाद मैंने बहुत सारा स्टूडेंट नेशनल मेडलिस्ट और इंटरनेशनल मेडल भी स्टूडेंट बना चुका है। मेरा उम्मीद है एशियंस गेम्स और कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स और ओलंपिक में भी मेरा स्टूडेंट एक न एक दिन ज़रूर पार्टिसिपेट करेगा, वो मेरा उम्मीद है। हम लोग जो क्लब चला रहा है उसको थोड़ा सा हेल्प करें, किसके लिए बच्चे लोग के उम्मीद भी है वो लोग भी एक इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर बन सके। तो किसी का फाइनेंस का प्रॉब्लम होता है, तो उसी को थोड़ा गोवा गवर्नमेंट ने साथ दिया तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा।
हो सुहानाच न्ही, कुंफून अशा कितल्याशाच उद्देंत्या सुहानाची हीच काणी। सरकार केन्ना तरी तांची आनी तांचे कुंफूची दखल घेत म्हूण आशेर राविल्ली अशी कितलीशीच सुहाना गोंयान आसात। प्रुडंटा खातीर श्याम सुंदर फट्टी।